Alright, welcome back to my channel. Here's your boy, Forex Noypi. And ngayon, naisip ko, all these things na natutunan ko sa Forex. So talaga siyang i-share sa mga Pilipino, no? Sa mga kababayan na gustong matuto and explore the infinite possibilities na meron ang Forex. Again, disclaimer lang, ang Forex ay hindi get rich quickly type na business, no? It requires effort, like a lot of the rich people naman ay pinaghihirapan din yung negosyo nila, diba? So sa video na to, gusto kong ituro sa inyo saan ka ba pwedeng magsimula. Halimbawa talagang wala kang kaalam-alam sa Forex, diba? Saan ka pwedeng magsimula? Yung zero knowledge talaga. Narinig mo lang yung Forex kahapon and nabalitaan mo na pwede kang kumita doon. So gusto mong i-explore yung possibility na yun. If you like this channel, please hit like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell para naman makasupport ka din dito sa channel na to. Okay? So let's get started. How to start? Unang-una sa lahat, gusto kong ipaalam sa inyo na education talaga is the best investment. It always pays the highest return. Sabi nga ni Benjamin Franklin. No? So, kung merong isang bagay na gusto mong i-invest, education yun. And thanks to the social media, YouTube, itong mga ganitong platform, may mga tao talaga na makakapagbigay sa'yo ng education without expenses. Wala ka nang babayaran, iintindihin mo na lang, uunawain mo na lang. You just try to make sense out of it. So hopefully, itong video na to is magawa yun. Okay? So, let's go to understanding the financial markets. No? Alam mo, understanding the financial markets takes more time than you think it is. Sobrang lawak nitong concept na to. In fact, kahit yung mga may PhD na sa economics, no, mga masters ng mga financial markets, hindi nga nila alam lahat eh. Hindi nila nahuhulaan at hindi rin nila nalalaman kung saan papunta ang price, saan papunta ang economics, anong magiging desisyon ng gobyerno or ng bangko, everything. And hindi ibig sabihin nito is hindi mo na kaya, diba? Hindi ibig sabihin na yung mga magagaling nga hindi naiintindihan lahat hindi rin alam lahat Ako pa kaya? Hindi ibig sabihin ganon. Understanding the financial markets only gives you an edge. Meron ka lang lamang sa ibang mga tao kung paano mo magagamit to para kumita ka. Diba? So, gusto kong malaman nyo na sa mga ganitong klaseng investment, education, specifically Forex, diba, you don't really need to have capital first. Aralin mo muna. And again, this video is intended to do that. Diba? So, understand na huwag ka munang sugod ng sugod. Basta meron kang, may isip mo, may capital ka, o meron akong 200,000 dito, magpo-Forex ako bukas. Bad yun. Malamang mauubos yung 200,000 mo, wala pang isang araw. Right? So, thanks to the different Forex brokers, diba? Nag-o-offer sila ng demo account. So, ang strategy dito is understand the financial markets muna. Alamin mo muna yung basic lang. And mamaya papakita ko sa inyo dito sa video na to kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng basic lang para malaman nyo kung gaano lang talaga siya kadali at nasa sa inyo ang control kung gaano pa kalalim ang gusto nyo maunawaan. Okay? So, let's do this. Different types of Forex brokers offers demo accounts, right? Ito yung mga different brokers. Hindi lahat to meron sa Pilipinas. Wala dito yung XM, and I know XM is a very popular Forex broker dito sa Pilipinas. Ako personally, I use XM on my demo I use them para mag-backtest ng mga strategies, yung trading plan ko, kung i-execute ko ba to, out of 100 trades, ilan ba dito yung mananalo ko, ilan dito yung I will lose. But on my real account, I use AvaTrade. And so just sharing that. No? So, thanks to the demo accounts of the different brokers, pwede ka mag-practice at you can get used to the habit of your trading plan or strategy. Take note lang, no, na if you do this, you have to make sure and feel na itong pera na nasa demo account mo is really yours, right? You have to feel na internally, sa'yo talaga to, and you feel like you're losing your money if you do so. Bakit? Kasi in all businesses, and not just Forex, so in all businesses, whenever that you start to lose money, you also start to lose faith in yourself. And that's what you call emotions, right? Sa lahat ng negosyo, merong emotional factor that messes up with your mind, distracts you, and keeps you off what your goal is. So, pag gumamit ka ng demo, ang reminder ko lang mga ka-Noypi is don't let your emotions control you. Isulat mo yung trading plan mo, post mo sa pader, lagay mo sa notes ng PC mo, lagay mo sa monitor mo, wherever that you can be reminded na ito yung trading plan mo. So, no matter if you lose on 1 or 2 trades, understand that your trading plan is a trustworthy trading plan and that you need to follow it. Okay? I can never stress that enough. Bakit? Kasi pinagdaanan ko yun. So I'm giving you an advice based on experience for free. Alright? So, treat your capital or your money as if it is yours sa demo account. And then, lastly, your job is to protect your money. It's as simple as huwag kang maging greedy. Okay? Kasi may makikita ka dyan, narinig mo sa ibang tao, uy, tinake nila to, magaling na trader to, tinake nila tong buy na to sa gold. Gagawin ko na rin. Hindi gano'n, mga ka-Noypi. Very bad yun. Your job is to protect your money, and the only way to do that is to understand bakit mo kukuhanin yung trade na yun. Bakit ka mag-e-enter ng buy order sa isang trade? Bakit ka mag-sell? Kailangan may connection yung mga ginagawa mo or yung pagtitrade mo. Because again, your job is to protect your money. Pag sinabing your job is to protect your money, di bakit hindi mo na lang i-save sa bangko? But the choice mo din naman yun, di ba? Pero mababa yung interest rate doon, right? So, it doesn't mean that you're just going to put your money in your Forex account tapos doon na lang siya, wala na. Hindi ganun, okay? Sabi nga sa ni Jeremiah, investing is a journey of self-discovery. It reveals your relationship with money, your tolerance for risk, and your ability to stay disciplined in the face of uncertainty. Okay? So, talking about risk, no? So, punta na tayo sa kung paano mo nga ba gagawin yung pag-protect ng money mo. This is just by you managing your risk. Paano nga ba minamanage ang risk? So, papakita ko sa inyo yung demo account na ginagamit ko ngayon. So, I am using FX, right? And this is the way I am testing my strategy kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Okay? So, magpupull up ako ng isa. Kita nyo itong kulay blue na to. So, ibig sabihin niya, nag-profit ako ng positive. Diba? Ito namang TP na to, ibig sabihin, I took a profit. Terminologies lang naman yan. Tapos ito ay stop loss. SL stands for stop loss. Pero pag sinabing stop loss, like ito, diba? Bakit profit pa rin? Or bakit nag-earn pa rin ako ng money dyan? So, yun lang ipapakita ko sa inyo on my last topic. So, nilagay ko lang yung trade na yon sa chart na to para makita nyo kung ano yung ibig kong sabihin. Okay? So, dito sa trade na to, Hanapin ko lang. Nasaan ba yun? Ito. Ayan, may guhit. So, ito ay GBP AUD. Kita natin to. Uy. Ayan. Okay. Ito. Ayan. So, pag hinaber ko yung mouse ko dito, makikita nyo na dito sa trade na ginawa ko is nag-buy ako. So, binili ko siya at this price right there. Okay? So, ang nangyari dito sa trade na to is umangat siya kasi nag-buy ako eh, diba? So, nag-set ako ng stop loss dito. Siguro dito lang. I think it's just here. So, yung distance nito, ang horizontal line na to, between dito sa baba, that's my risk. Ibig sabihin, pag yung price bumaba dito, I'm out. Wala na ako. So, I would have lost $150 dito sa trade na to. I would have, or maybe lesser. Hindi ko na maalala. I would have lost, right? Pero ang nangyari dito is, umangat yung price here, bumaba dito, bumaba dito, at nag-retest dito, and then umangat dito. Right? So, ang nangyari dito, nung nandito na yung price sa part na to, yung stop loss ko, which is originally ito, inangat ko siya dyan. Nung lumangpas na yung price, right? Nung nandito na yung price, confident na ako na okay na ako, wala na akong risk. So, magsak man yung price dito sa line na to, okay na ako. Right? So, ang nangyari, umangat ulit yung price dito sa part na to, tapos umangat ulit siya dito sa part na to. Nung nandito na siya sa part na to, ang ginawa ko, inangat ko ulit yung risk ko dito. Sa part na to. Ayan. So, nagwi-wish ako na sana umangat pa yung price, pero I have nothing to lose. Right? Whether the price goes down here, this area, I'll still get profits, right? So, ganun yung nangyari. So, nung bumagsak nga yung price dito, I was out of the trade. I was out. And then, lo and behold, I got the profit, which is this. Right? Which is this. So, see that? Stop loss here. Okay? So, lessons from this example is, originally, yung stop loss ko nandito sa line na to. Originally. Right? So, kung bumagsak man yan dyan, yung price, I'm okay. I'm willing to risk that amount. Right? Pero, ang nangyari, umangat siya dito. So, I took profits from here that's amounting to $201.88. Not bad, right? Bigay ko pa kayo ng iba pang example where I really did lose it, right? So ito, I lost $149.67 on this trade. Same, on GBP-AUD. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, this is what happened. Bumagsak yung price, and I'm willing to lose 149.67. 150 nga yun dapat, pero 149.67. I'm willing to lose that because I believe that in my strategy, understanding the Forex markets, the financial markets, I was up ahead on the trade. Right? Pero hindi ganun yung nangyari. And that's okay. So, if you look at my records here on this demo account, right, I have winning trades right here, yung blue, and I have losing trades also, right? Sometimes I win big, sometimes I lose or win small, and I lose sometimes also, diba? Point is, the amount, and I'm saying yung amount in dollars, no? When you win big. But if you lose small. Right? So, makikita nyo, I have 250, 387, 201, 210. Those are the amounts that I win. At 319, 418, those are the amounts that I win. But if I lose, I only lose 151. 309, that was one trade I took from gold. 149, 153. Pero pag in-average nyo yan mga ka-Noypi, I still win more in terms of profits than it is than losses, right? So, I wanted to leave you at that. Ayoko naman kayong ma-overwhelm, pero I will make more videos. And if you think this is an educational video for you, please help support the channel. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and share. Comment down below for whatever topics that you think you may have or any questions that you may have. Ang gagawin ko guys is ipopost ko sa description below yung fundamental analysis. Papakita ko ngayon kung saan ko nakuha yung fundamental analysis ko. Okay, para malaman ko if I will buy or sell. And I'll talk more about this later on my succeeding videos. Pero for now, I'll show you this. So ito yung Edge Finder Pro. I purchased this from A1 software. And this basically tells me kung saan ba ang overall bias ng mga currency pairs, right? So I'll make a video separate for this one, pero for now, ito yung easiest way to understand the financial markets. This is forexfactory.com. Dito, makikita nyo yung mga upcoming news, right? So ngayon ay August 24, which is here. Naka-central time ako in the US, so this one follows it. Mamaya 7:30 ng gabi, merong lalabas na big news, kaya red tong markings dito, which is unemployment claims. Pag kinlik nyo yung folder dito, makikita nyo meron description. Short description, so it's easy to understand. It says the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. Okay? So dito, it tells you kung marami bang walang trabaho sa US. Pero syempre, pag maraming walang trabaho sa US, babagsak ang ekonomiya. All the time ba? Hindi. Syempre, hindi. There are so many factors that are coming into play para makakita tayo ng super big moves in the market. Right? So for now, yun muna yung papakita ko sa inyo. I just don't want to overwhelm you and let you know na there are really easy resources for you to start trading Forex. Okay? Huwag niyong isipin na it is gambling because it's not. It is an invested interest like other businesses that's out there, right? Katulad ng Jollibee, they have risk. They're also investing in the people, in the infrastructure, pero hindi natin alam kung marami mang bibili dito, right? Other businesses that are upcoming in the market, ganun din. They're investing, and then with a lot of time studying, with the right amount of mindset, they succeed, right? It's the same with Forex, okay? You study it, understand it, and the beauty is you can test it. May mga demo accounts, test your strategy, and then when you're confident based on statistics on your demo account, then you can proceed with the real market, okay? So, if you guys like this video, please subscribe, share, like, comment, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye for now.